So to get ready for the party, I am planning to have plates of cookies on display. So I had these plates left over from our plate flowers. I had gotten these at a secondhand store for a really cheap price. And then the candlesticks I got at the dollar store. So basically all you need to do is just take some Gorilla Glue and you just want to glue the top of the, and you use the clear so that way it doesn't show, and just put a good amount of glue on the top of the candlestick. And then you just want to put your plate down right in the center and let it dry. And I'm going to do the same thing with the larger one. So these make a really cute display for cookies or desserts, and it's really cheap to do for a party. So if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.